Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update with this concrete footpath. So, as you can see, I already removed the shutters for strips 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 and 8 is ready for pouring. Hopefully, we have a nice weather tomorrow so I can pour it. And after that, I can start pouring 6, 5 and 6, but I need to replace these unsuitable materials. As you can see in that strip, it looks so as you can see, it's not stable, so I need to strip it and replace with good materials taken from there. Yeah, there are some honeycombs, but I need to plaster those honeycombs before I pour in between to prevent seepage penetration. So yeah, so yeah, it's getting dark now, so see you tomorrow, and please be safe and God bless, and bye for now.